The organism that I chose to research is Planaria. Their common name is the flatworm, and their scientific names are Planaria and platyhelminths. Most planaria can be found in fresh water like streams and ponds. It's usually more shallow. They live underneath rocks and leaves. However, some species are terrestrial, so they can be found in land with underneath rocks, logs, or in the soil in humid areas. For food, planaria suck up small animals with their mouth. Then the food passes from their mouth through the pharynx and into the intestines, where it is digested by the cells lining the intestines. From there, the nutrients are diffused to the rest of the organism. If you look on the left, this diagram shows how the digestion process works and how it all happens and where everything flows. However, some larger terrestrial planaria wrap around their prey and secrete mucus to dissolve their prey instead of just sucking it up. Predators of planaria include freshwater fishes, amphibians, along with dragonflies, chironomids, and mosquitoes. Planarians themselves prey on ascidians, crustaceans, nematodes, and even insects like midge larvae. If you look on the left, here's a diagram on how they actually eat and what they use. Some unique traits of planarias are that they are triboblastic, which means that they contain an ectoderm, an endoderm, and a mesoderm layer. They're acolumate, which means they don't have a column, or also known as a body cavity surrounding the mesodermal layer. They are bilaterally symmetrical. They have two eye spots, which are photoreceptors, and auricles, which are chemoreceptors. They reproduce sexually by simultaneous fertilization and asexually through regeneration. If you look at the tree of life, planaria are eukaryotes that can be further broken down into invertebrates in the animal kingdom. Planarias themselves are important to their ecosystem because they allow information about pollutants to be obtained. This is especially important because the new information that is collected can help in different types of biological responses at various levels of biological organizations. They are also really important to research that could help find advancements in treatment for individuals with brain damage or other neurological diseases. This is due to the planaria's ability to regenerate so easily. Their ability comes from their presence of stem cells called neoblast, which they then use to regenerate and form into separate organisms. This occurs when they are split, whether that be horizontally or vertically. They maintain their ability to do so, making them unique and fascinating to the scientific community. Here are my sources, and that is it.